and the people of Deopani for having entrusted me to shoulder the responsibility of guiding and holding this prestigious post as principal in charge of Deopani College. So I'm grateful to you all. It's a great honor for me. So respected guests of honor, Srimati Elisteron P, the governing body, acting president Pusparan Chetri, Lukhi sir, and headmaster of Model High School Number Bagan, KCS Arnam Langpi, KCS Zone, KSA President Arnam Langpi Branch, ATSA Secretary Ajoy Sahu, and
and my friends, my name is Deopani P. I am contestant number 25, and I am from Borneria Langmili. I passed my HS from Deopani Senior Secondary School. Thank you.
Principal and the chief guests and all of my dear friends. My name is Rukjaling DP and I'm from Selonizan, Resak Happy Village. And I have purchased my HS from Senior Secondary School and I'm pursuing my degree in Deopani College. Thank you.
Today, the 17th of August 2024, the Deopani College for the first time is celebrating
the first ever Deopani College Alumni Meet, CUM 15 Social Freshers Meet, with the cooperation of the ex-students and the students of Deopani College, especially the Union Body of Deopani College, and with the help of Deopani College Governing Body, MSc and EM, and VDC Chairman, and all the well-wishers of Deopani constituency, we could make it this day a grand one and a memorable one. As per the higher education guideline, the college is to establish Students Alumni Association. So finally, we have established this particular committee in the month of July. Within 1 month, they work day in and day out and make it the day, the dream realized today. So we could celebrate this great day to have an interaction with the ex-students. Some have worked as a teacher, as a what's called in a forest department, education department, and maybe LDA. Some of the students, they have already working as a serviceman, so they don't have the time to meet each other. So we formed this organization to come together from 2009 batch to till 2024 to 23 batch. Already it is 15 years. Now it's really exciting. Students coming from far and wide. Some are from other districts, maybe Golaghat, Nogao, Sipsagar, Jorhat, and then from different parts of Karbi Anglong. So it is a very, for me as a principal in charge, glad to see them all. They come together, they celebrate themselves with some singing, some dancing, with Karbi folk dance and Jumur. So it is very exciting to see them. And especially, I can see their happiness by seeing their smiling faces. I once again wish them all the best in the days ahead to work tirelessly for the development of Deopani College and the Deopani College Alumni Association, and to make this institution the place where we can get quality education, not the quantity, but quality education. So education is these days is a what's called given importance in all spheres in life, maybe in sports, maybe in getting degree, maybe dancing and acting, beautician. So all that we have now, students have to train themselves. They have to cope up with the latest education policy. So wish you all the best. You come to the college, we'll discuss uh, each other, and we'll work together hand in hand to make this Deopani College institution make one of the best college in Bokajan, LA, the whole of Karbi Anglong, East and West, and at the end, the whole of Assam. So let us try to bring laurels for this institution. So wish you all the best. Thank you. Yes. Yeah.
So how we make this special to celebrate this year?
See, I was not the in charge for the past years. I have taken up the in charge for just 4 years. Now 4 years already completed. So I keenly studied the functioning of the college and the system. So when the new education policy comes up, we, the staff of Deopani College, felt the need of establishing Deopani College Alumni Association. So that is how we call them one by one, contacting them. Finally, then we could form this association.
You also mentioned about the quality education. Basically, if you talk about the quality education, the council also have been giving a slogan more than 2 years ago to bring quality education in Karbi Anglong. But then they have come into the notice that the salary has been given once in a year. by the Caribbean law, the first council. So you being a principal, what did you face in order to bring the quality education in your college?
So when you ask this question, it's a very tough question. Not only Deopani College, venture college of all Caribbean have faced this problem of getting salary once in a year. That means 12 months. At the end of the year, in the month of March, we get a salary. So it's very hard to bear, especially the staff, including myself. We have a transportation coming from home to college to meet the daily expenses. Some are staying in the rent house. So it's quite difficult. So my humble request and my earnest request to the council and the authority is, if they could give us the salary, whatever the council has given us now, a fixed pay, if they give us monthly wise, it will be much better, and the venture college of all the Caribbean will be very happy, and we will welcome them with a big heart. Okay, thank you.
ডিগ্ৰী কলেজৰ নেতৃত্বত আজি দেওপানী কলেজ এলুমিনি মিট 15 ছ'চিয়েল ফ্ৰেছাৰ্ছ মিট 2024 আজি ভাল লাগিছে 24 নং দেওপানী যিমান ইয়াত পঢ়ি যোৱা ল'ৰা ছোৱালীসকল আজি একেলগে হৈ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ কেএছএ নেতৃত্ব লৈ আৰু বাকীখিনি সকলো ইয়াতে ষ্টুডেণ্ট ইউনিয়নখিনি লৈ পেলাই আজি ফ্ৰেছাৰ্ছ মিটখন পাতিছে। ভাল লাগিছে। কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ CM ডক্টৰ তুলিৰাম ৰঙাৰ নেতৃত্বত চলা চৰকাৰ দিনত আমি আজি সকলোৱে মিলি আজি শান্তিৰে আমি এই ফ্ৰেছাৰ্ছ ডেছখিনি পাতিব পাৰিছোঁ। আপোনালোকে জানে পূৰ্বৰ চৰকাৰ সময়ত আপোনালোকে কিমান কাৰ্বি আংলং অশান্তিৰ এটা সৃষ্টি আছিলে, ষ্টুডেণ্টক চাব নোৱাৰে তেনেধৰণৰ সৃষ্টি এটা আছিলে। কিন্তু আজিৰ দিনত সকলো জাতি ধৰ্ম বৰ্ণ একেলগে হৈ কাৰ্বি আংলং বাস কৰা, সকলো জাতি ধৰ্ম বৰ্ণ একেলগে বাস কৰা, সকলোৱে আজি মিলা প্ৰীতি হৈ পেলাই আজি প্ৰগ্ৰামবিলাক কৰিব পাৰিছে। গতিকে থেংকছ ফৰ অল পিপুল কাৰ্বি আংলং। ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ যে আমি একেলগে হৈ এনেকৈ কাৰ্বি আংলংখন আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলংখন আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাব লাগিব। আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ উন্নয়ন মানে আমাৰ সকলো জাতি ধৰ্মৰ উন্নয়ন। গতিকে আমি কাৰ্বি আংলঙত বাস কৰা সকলোৱে এটাই চিন্তা চৰ্চা কৰিব লাগে যে আমি সকলো মিলা প্ৰীতিৰে থাকি আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলং উন্নয়নৰ ছাত্ৰ চিন্তা কৰোঁ। গতিকে মই আজি আপোনালোকৰ যোগেদি এইখন মেছেজ দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে আমাৰ যদি কাৰ্বি আংলংখন আগবাঢ়িব লাগে তেতিয়া শিক্ষাখিনি আগবাঢ়িব লাগে, শিক্ষাৰ দিশত আগবাঢ়িব লাগে। গতিকে আজি আমি যিটো দেখিব পাইছোঁ 24 নং দেওপানী সমষ্টিৰ অন্তৰ্গত, সেয়া সঁচাকৈ আজি শিক্ষাৰ দিশত আগবাঢ়িছে। সকলো স্কুলবিলাক ভাল আগবাঢ়িছে, কলেজবিলাক আগবাঢ়িছে। আজি আমাৰ প্ৰিন্সিপাল বচন ৰংফাৰদেৱে বহুতো কষ্ট কৰিছে। তেখেতৰ কষ্ট আৰু তেখেতৰ ধৈৰ্য সকলো টিচাৰবিলাকে তেখেতৰ অনুযায়ী আজি কাম কৰি গৈছে। গতিকে ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ সকলোকে, তেখেতলোককো, আৰু আপোনালোকলৈ ধন্যবাদ থাকিল। ধন্যবাদ।